Hi guys, how you guys doing? Happy weekend. I'm at the beach. This is where I am right now. I'm at the beach. Yes, you can see that's my baby girl there. Where are you? Yeah, that's she over there. Olivia, come on. Hi guys, this is where I am today. Happy weekend to you guys. Happy weekend to you guys. Today is a sunny day. Olivia, come. Don't go far. That's how about it. So today we have a sunny day. We have a very hot weather today. I decided to come out with my family and catch some fun. Oh God, today is so hot. Yeah, I think we have like 20 degree. Yeah, 20 degree weather. Yeah, the weather is 20 degree today, and you can see it's sunny. It's a very beautiful day. Very beautiful day, guys. Yeah, that's my princess Olivia. Come on, let me zoom it. Olivia! There she is. She's having fun. Olivia! Say hi! Say hi! Oh my God! You having fun? Yeah! Oli! Say hi! 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 You're the beach girl! Beach baby! Okay, guys. That's her over there. That's my daughter over there. She's having fun. And the water is cold. Yeah, it's cold. Although it's sunny, but it's so cold. So this is the view of the beach. Yeah, this is the view of the water. It's beautiful. It's clean. You know, you can see the color. It's very clean. But it's cold. For me, it's very cold. Yeah, for me, it's very cold. Oh, I did come with my tripod. I did come with my tripod today. I hope you guys have seen my face. Okay, let me remove my glass so you can see my face better. Yes, this is my real face. So this is my real face. So yes, I'm just having fun, nothing more. I don't think I can dive into this water because it's cold. It's kind of a bit windy, but it's cold. Where is my child? Let me face my child though. I'm not a careless mother. I'm not a careless mom. Oh. Okay guys, so this is me.
Ma, I don't need to wear my glasses.
You have to wear your glasses, baby girl. You have to. Yes, baby girl. Woo! See the view, round. The house is getting. Be careful. Okay. Oh, she loved the beach. She loved the beach. Yes, now I can see better. Because of the sun, I can see better. Are you feeling cold? Is the water cold? It's cold. Oh. This child said it's not cold. It's cold. Come on, baby girl. girl. Woo-hoo-hoo. Hey, baby girl. You look beautiful.
Thank you.
Say thank you. So nice.
It's a bigger one.
I hope you guys have a lovely day. So I'm gonna cut it here because I want to cut it here before she wants to put her daughter together. I will leave you guys now. I'll see you guys next again. I'll see you guys again on my next upload. Bye everyone. Have a lovely day. Have a beautiful day from the one and only Pretty Tina. Mwah.
Never forget where you come from.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. Check the resume.
Back to go home. They are done. See how she's going on. Are you feeling cold? You feeling cold? Yeah? Would you like to come back again? No? Maybe tomorrow with Papi you coming back. Okay. Did you enjoy your beach? Did you enjoy the beach? Olivia, did you enjoy the beach?
Yes.
Yes, you did. You have lots of fun? Yeah? Okay. So what would you say to the beach?
Bye-bye.
Bye bye beach. See you another day. What?
Another day on Monday.
Okay, see you another day on Monday, right?
Yes, we're coming on Tuesday tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow we're coming on Tuesday.
Okay, you're coming back tomorrow.
We're back on Tuesday.
You're coming back on Tuesday. Okay. All right, blow a kiss to the camera.
Mwah!
Mwah. So guys, I'm going home. Going home. Be careful there.